How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can turn off the Prime Tower and Brim with the Anycubic slicer next. So right now I am inside my project right here, and if you want to turn off your Prime Tower or Brim, the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the side category, which is going to be this one, and just click on the multi-material. In here, you have the Prime Tower option. So just uncheck the enable option and then it will simply remove the Prime Tower onto our plate. Now, if you want to modify or change your brim, click others, scroll down, and then you have your brim type. In here, you can change your brim, and then if you want to remove it, simply click on the no brim option, and from there you should be good to go. If you click on slice plate, it will not have those objects anymore. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.